family, we are here at the Cosmopolitan. This is the first game I'm playing. I just got in, and I want to see how we do. Just do some 250 bets and see what we can do on $100. Oh, I got a bonus, and I didn't tell you, but over here somebody got a bonus.
Hey, everybody!
So we're in a double bonus now.
You want to do yours first?
Should we have a friendly wager and see who gets the better bonus?
Sure.
All right, what's the wager?
A shot.
Okay, a shot.
Yeah.
We're betting a shot. I'll start mine off, or we'll do them together and we'll see who ends up the best.
1,
2, 3. I'm going to speed that up. There we go. No dancing ladies, but that's okay. I'm up to, I don't know, I can't do the math right now. I'm tired, I just flew in. About $10. Maybe a little more. Nick's over here at 5 cents. Oh, no, wait a minute. I'm on 10 cents, so that's $29. Yeah.
So you're at...
Nick's on 5 cents, so he's at almost $7.
You're at 34.
Yep.
So I believe Ed might be winning this one, but we're not done yet.
I might win this round, and I'm going to hit the speed up on this. Come on, briefcase. Come on, chip. And his feature's complete with about $20.
Yeah, we'll call it 20. Ed, you already won. Congratulations, sir.
For those of us that are math impaired, looks like Nick will be buying me a shot. Come on, Chip. Now, there's some tens, though. Got a couple tens. Game 4 of 6. We still have a shot at a briefcase to extend this, or a chip. And I want the chip bonus. All right, I'm going to speed this up. Into game 5 of 6. Yeah, that's good. We'll take that. $50. First game I've played since I got here at Cosmo. Oh, that's even a little coin show going on, which means it's at least 10 times the bet, so it's at least $25. Oh, 90, that's a good one. We'll take that. Come on, Chip, do it now, do it now. Some lousy tens, but $140, that's a great start. I'll keep it going for a little bit. Oh, almost landed to 3 again. I thought Nick had a coin show there. He was cashing out.
Well, you can always get a guaranteed coin show in this game.
When you
just cash out. You're good. That's like the only machine guaranteed to play is the ATM. So if you want some money, go to the ATM. Guaranteed win. Come on, do it.
I think for everybody watching, I'm going to play this until I land a chip bonus. Bonus or bust. Little something. Anytime it's, oh, come on. Anytime it's better than 25, I'm happy. Oh, almost. And we've gone to the Bean for coffee, so it's kind of a fly-in morning coffee slot kind of thing.
Sponsored by the Bean at Cosmopolitan.
No sponsors. YouTube will kick the video back if they think I'm sponsoring something without putting it in the thing.
This is not a sponsorship.
This is not a sponsorship, but I do enjoy the Bean.
There you go.
And we got the bonus. So at 4 minutes, I can end this video.
Hopefully this is not a chippy bonus.
Let's see. How are we looking so far? 5, 750, 750. We're all right. Let's see if we can land one of the big ones up there. I'd be happy with the minor. On this exact machine, as you've seen in my past videos, I've hit that minor at least 2 times on this exact machine. Let's do it right now. Come on, minor. Oh, that's good for 750. Come on. Keep it going.
There you go.
$5. We're keeping it going. And of course, oh, it's $12.50. And there's always the chance we can fill up the whole screen and get that grand for $10,000.
I saw the mini or the grand was flying just now.
Was it red? I wasn't paying attention.
No, that was one of the others.
And that's all she wrote. Let's see what it adds up to. This is exciting. I should have put the camera up to what it was adding up to. Anyway, $57. That was super exciting. But keep in mind, we're up to $269 and we started with a $100 bill.
It's always good old-fashioned, wholesome family fun when you're with Slot Cracker.
Oh, that was almost a bonus after the bonus. There's a couple wilds with the dancing lady for 60. I think I'm gonna say one more bonus and then I'll end the video. We can do better than that last one. Come on, we can do it. Nick's got a little something adding up there.
Serious dough.
And that's enough to pay for the shots that he's got to buy.
Oh yeah, we'll be paying anything for it. Which we're again.
Oh, that's right. I think I got bamboozled on that deal.
I gave you a good jolly good rogering on it.
Jolly good rogering. I took a jolly good rogering. Oh, there we go. That could be okay. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. $11. Oh, that was close. So close. Gotta make sure. Yeah, the volume's up. Should be hitting a little better with the volume up. Also, I heard that if you touch the 25 right in the center, you're guaranteed a bonus on the next spin. Let's see. No, I gotta return JFK's book.
Your light's definitely not going off.
No lights going off, no bells ringing. Come on, one more bonus. We can do it. And then I'm gonna end this. One good bonus. And hopefully it happens before I dip below 200 so I could say I doubled up on this machine. Come on, one more. Oh, one of them dipped down. That was almost 4. This could be the bonus that ends this video. Let's see what it does. 6 spins. All we want is a chip. We get that chip, it's all over. That was a nice one too. Wild show me cars? No, but that's still good. We'll take that. I hate when the guy next to me is smoking and it gets up in front of the camera. Come on, one chip. No, but a wild with cards? No. Put the queens all the way. That bonus was good for $51. Which means we should do a few more spins. That would have been nice. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna kick it up to $5 a spin. Normally I like doing $2.50 on these, on the smaller limit ones. The $5 I do when you're, well, you have to do on the other ones that are high limit, but let me kick it up to $5 for 10 spins to end this out. There's a couple wilds. Jacks. For 40. Come on, do it now, do it now. We've got 8 more spins to land a bonus. Oh, that would have been good. Five more spins. A little something there. Still 5 more spins. We're just gonna run it to 200 in hopes we land one more bonus. $5 a spin, ending this off. We want to see briefcases or chips. Or a lot of wilds. It was okay. Come on, do it now. And this will be the last spin right now. And that's all she wrote on this one. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I'm a little betting here. 10 cents, $2.50 a spin. But got 3 shots at one spot. So just in case it happens, the mini is $100. Nothing special, but if it happens, I want to do it live. For a live recording. And that's all she wrote. No $11,000 for me. Let's see what it adds up to. A little over 100. $145. I'll do a backup spin. And thank you for watching. Hey guys, I'm sitting here low betting. $2.50 a spin, 10 cents. Got a couple good balls here, or chips. So I figured I'd take you along for the ride. That's all she wrote. Let's see what it adds up to though. That's a pretty good one. Let's do a spin off. And thanks for watching. Uh-oh. Yeah! No tax! We are back with another bonus. Let's see what we did. Something with color, something with words. We're in the game. Let's see what it adds. We'll take that. And I'm going to cancel the noise.
Was the free play that didn't convert much?
No, that I don't think that converted at all. I'll do one more, and then of course I'll come back if we get something good.
No, you have to go to the room and start getting ready.
I know, I'm supposed to get out of here. Thanks for watching. Hey, Slot Family. I just wanted to record this. I've got one more shot in one spot at the Grand, and the Grand right now is sitting at 101,000. Can we do it? Thank you. And no, we didn't do it. Thank you. But let's watch what we add up. There we go. It was still a good bonus. We'll take that all day. Thanks for watching. And we're back again. Got another bonus on high stakes. Let's see what we can do.
There we go.
Anything keeps us going.
Can we hear the major?
That would be a good sound.
Stick it.
There we go, we're back. Nothing huge, but hey, we're trying. It's at the 50-cent denom, so yeah, definitely bigger numbers. They're colors with words. one more right now. That's all she wrote. Let's see what it is. That's okay.
A big one's coming.
It could be.
I do, because it's giving you a lot of 1x and 2x's.
Yep. I'm going to come back to this if we get something again. And I thought we had the 3 cases there. But see you in a few minutes. And we're back with another bonus. Let's see what it turns into. Of course, we're looking for the chip. A big chip. Would be nice to see a major just drop right in the center. Ours are okay. There we go, we got the chip. Now let's get another chip that's green. Even blue. Last one, and that's also red. But we're still in the bonus, so we have a chance. Game 4 of 6, another chip. Last one. And we got it. All right, so that was good for $300. We'll take that. I'll do a spin-off, and I'll come back if I get something else. Okay, it's all small numbers, but you never know. I'll take you along for the ride just in case. All it takes is a green chip, and I'm happy.
Even a blue chip will be
A
nice.
blue chip I'll be, especially since I'm on a plane soon. A blue chip's fine. There's a lower probability of me putting it back. There we go, we're back again.
Land it.
3 shots, oh, I'm sorry, 1 shot, and last shot. Oh, that's all she wrote. We're gonna go over here a second and see what Manny's doing. After this heads up. So, let me stop the noise. So,
Like 100.
what do we got going over here, Manny?
I don't know, I'm going left.
Manny's going left.
Yeah.
And he got it! Yeah, buddy.
See? Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, keep it going.
There we go. Okay. Last spin, come on, baby. Stick it. Oh,
Let's see what that is.
okay.
It's way back to the 200. Put a spin on it. And
Ladies,
that's
yes!
all.
That's a lot of camel toe, baby.
Nice.
Woo!
Yeah, buddy. You're getting close to that magic number.
Let's do a $15 bet, just to for fuck's sake. Well, we didn't lose at all. $10. Back to you, Ed.
And we're coming back over here. I'm going to do a spin off or two. I will come back if we get something. As always, thanks for watching. And we're back again. Got another bonus. Let's see if we can land that chip. That's a wild. That's a wild. That's looking good. Especially that one connects them all. What do we have? All right, we're almost at $150 there. Drop a chip. Chip, chip, chip. Chip, chip, chip. There it is. We got the chip.
There's that chip.
And we still have one spin left when we come back.
Take the right one, not the right, not the one on the right, just the right one.
The correct one.
There you go. That's a good
100
one.
added. And let's get that last spin. Will it be another chip? No, it was king.
It was right there, too.
I see. One spin off. And I'll come back. Hey, Slot Family, we came over to Park MGM and I'm going to burn up a little over $400 in some free play. I'm doing high stakes Lightning Link, 50-cent denomination, 1250 bets. Here we go. Let's just make sure that it's reloading the free play. Yes, it's reloading the free play. And that volume is maxed out. So here we go. Let's see what we can do. We'll keep going till it stops loading, and let's see if we can turn $400 into 400 real dollars at $12.50 a bet. There it is, right off the bat. We got a $50, or no, I'm sorry, that's 50 cent. That's $250. That's 125. That's another $250. We already got $500 on this bonus. Let's keep this going. I would love to see that minor drop for 2,500. That's where we're at, $117,000 on the grand. And this is already shaping up to be a great bonus. One more, will we get it? And we are back with a 62.50 ball. Chip, whatever, tired. I flew in today. We're back again with $25. And we're back with $25. And we're back with $125. This was like the first or second spin. This was a great bonus, another $25. I'm hoping this doesn't creep to hand pay because I'm not in the mood to pay taxes and fill out forms right now. Oh, I did see a nice $12.50 or something going by there, which would be $600. And there's another 160, 70, whatever. I can't do math right now. If we fill this up and it turns into $100,000, I'll buy Nick a beer.
117,000.
Nick right now is my security. Hi, Nick. And that is all she wrote. Let's watch this add up. This is going to be a good one.
It's going to be pretty good.
Good thing I remembered to hit start on the camera. So. Oh, this might be hand paid territory. Oh, crap. Oh, please, please. No. Damn it. Well,
Barely a hand.
by $12.51, we now have to pay tax. So, on that note, I'm going to hit the button so that it goes quicker. There's your ringing. Please call somebody, call attendant. You have won a jackpot. And now the organ music. Okay, I'm going to take a break. I'll come back later. And that's over with. That took a couple minutes, but we got paid $1,200. So we're going to go back at it. We have 400 left on the free play. We're doing $12.50 spins on 50-cent Lightning Link, bonus reels in play. I think it's called high stakes. Here we go. What are the chances we can pull off one more bonus before we clear out that 400? That was good for 52, which is 26. Let's get the suitcase bonus now. That's looking good. A couple cars across the board for $60. We'll take it. That's looking good. A couple cars for $30. Come on, cases. Come on, chips. Come on, 2 more. Oh, we are down to $300. Can we land one more bonus? Oh, so close. Come on. We're now down to 262 with a couple queens for 750. I'm struggling on my math. I'm on 10 cups of coffee, little sleep. Come on, one more case. No. Come on, chips, 3 more. All right, we are at 212.50. One more chip bonus. That's all we want. Otherwise, I'm going to have to edit this video and put the win at the end. Otherwise, everybody will stop watching it after the first minute. Oh, that's looking okay. Let's see what that totals out at. Let me hit the button here. That is good. $85. That's looking good too for $10. Right here, we started with a $20 bill, I think, and that's up to $243. So all these little wins are adding up on free play. And we are now down to $137.50. Can we get one more bonus? $125. Come on, boys. Let's get 5 briefcases all the way across. Or 3. Down $75. Come on, chips. Come on. Oh, that's good. Oh my God, that is unbelievable. That is unbelievable. Oh, that's going to be a coin show, and let's see. What is that going to be? I'm going to let it go for a second. Or am I going to just hit the button and see what it totals? Any guesses? I have no idea. $565. We are now up to $826 plus the $1,200. That's $2,000 we've made here so far on their free play. That's one. Oh, so close. Down to $37.50. We're running out of spins here on free play. Ooh, close again. All right, this is the last spin, $12.50 on their free play. Oh, so the end result on that is 828 and 1,200 and something, over $2,000 that we pulled off a free play. I'm going to do a couple extra spins here, just for fun. See if we can land one more bonus. Let's see, we're at 806 now. Oh, come on. Oh, that would have been sweet. That mini's at 500. I am gonna do 4 spins. Let's see, $25. Let's do 4 spins at $25. See if we can pop a bonus right now. Come on. Oh! 2 spins here. Come on. Oh, 3 spins. So close. 4 spins. Oh, come on. Oh! Should we go a little deeper? Why not? We're in Vegas. I'm here for one really long night, 36 hours. Might as well get all the play I could. I'll run it down to 600, and we still, on free play, did very well. Actually, at this dollar denomination, it's easier to add up the wins. We know that's $5. I'm going to stop at $500 and call this a wrap. Just looking for one bonus on the dollars here. Can we pull it off? Got 2 more spins. And here comes the last spin. Can we get a screen full of wilds? Can we get briefcases? Can we get chips?
Appreciate it, thank you.
And that's going to be all she wrote. But the end result is still $1,700 off of free play. Thank you all for watching. We call it getting stupid, and we play $12.50, $25 a spin with the camera off. And we, oh yeah, buddy! And this is what normally happens. All right, so we're at 50 cents. So being we're at 50 cents, That one right there. That one right there. We're looking good.
Look at Ron, look at Ron, look at Ron.
Oh, Ron's doing the robot. Hey, get this thing going, Ron. We already got 375, 100 on 50 cents.
Come on, Minor.
Oh, I saw a mini for 500. Oh, by the way, people, at the level we're playing right now, the mini's 500, the minor's 2,500, and of course, and we've already got a 375 and a 100, so that's over 200 just on those. We are looking good, and we're back. So I keep going until I lose.
6 spots. Oh wait, that's
Oh wait, Kim, can you do me a favor? Pass me that 1 second.
Pass me the.
Amstel.
He needs his medicine.
I need a little medicine right now. My voice is going away, and Ron pulled the trigger, and we got yes! We're back, Ronnie.
Fill it up.
Hold on, hold on, Ron. We need to talk.
What?
Ron, last night, there's 265 people in the house, so some may have joined in and don't know.
All right.
Ron and my sister, last night in Vegas, popped a grand on Dragon Link for 18,000.
We made that up, actually.
No, it was.
Oh, it did happen?
Oh, yeah, it happened. There's photos to prove. But what do we do, Ron, if we pop this grand?
Spend it.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm on
What
board.
are you gonna do with it?
We'll go to higher limit. We'll do $1,000 a spin.
I mean, count it.
All right.
That's fun. For
I
about a
think they
minute.
want to. We're up to 270 people. They want to see how this is going to turn out. Fill up that screen, Ron. Show them how it's done. Oh, that mini was going by. All right, my turn. Right there, mini. Oh, we're back.
Oh, it's right where
We're back.
I
We're back.
told it to be.
3 shots, 4 spots. Oh, and
my
we're
God,
back.
It's right where I told it to be again.
3 shots, 3 spots. Hey, Kim, your arm's in the way. And Ron.
Can't see me.
Crap.
All right, last one. Oh, you know what? Let's do the last one together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And
So cute.
okay, that's all she wrote. But this is going to be a heck of a bonus. Those are a lot of good numbers. Let's see what we got.
Scary.
$437. That's a good bonus. Range World Vegas slots. You're next. Hold on. You're next. All in the family grand. Thank you, Rain. Thank you for the super chat. Rather than me being next, I want all of us to hit one of these super grands together. We'll try to make it happen. We're going to throw a lot of money at it tonight. Let's stop that coin show. All right. 280 people in the house. And we are up to $508. This was the last machine. Ron and I each put, what did we do, $100 a piece on this?
That's right.
So we're up 300. So you want to keep it going a little bit? Yeah. Let me think about that. Yeah. I'm gonna. Who actually got that bonus? Was that you?
I'm afraid it was me.
Yeah. Well, then you're gonna have to hit that trigger again, brother.
Unless we rewind the tapes.
The speakers. It's all about the
I'm gonna have to end this live stream so I can do a playback and see who's supposed to spin next. All right, you go for it.
No, wait, it would be your turn then.
I don't know. Okay, I'm taking the trigger. And nothing for me. Oh, a little something. That was not even money back. All right, rounds up. Oh, almost. Need one more of those. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Oh, tease. Show me the power. I can't use that one. That's somebody else's. Show me the power of your bonus. Love you, NG.
Shame on you, Lightning Link.
Shame on you, Lightning Link.
All due respect.
Oh, you know what it is? The coronavirus. So instead of doing the Windex, for the coronavirus, I'm Lysoling. All right, here we go. Now we're going to get a win. All right, that didn't work.
You want me to stop it or you don't care?
I don't care how you do it.
Drop that minor, and that's that. That's it.
Just one minor for 2,500. We're more than happy. We've already landed numerous miners earlier, and yeah, just one more right now would be great. There's a couple cods.
Bounce around. I mean, is it stupid to do that?
Not at all. It's
the same thing and
I
drop
hate those
that?
bets. The only thing is that with this, you're still betting 12.50, but you have more lines. Personally, it's up to you. I don't care. We're doing this together, but I like the 50 cents because then when you
Oh yeah. I mean,
a little higher, but it doesn't matter. We could drop down to 10 cents if you want.
Fool the machine.
I don't think there's any fool in the machine. It's going to do what it wants when it wants.
Brooke would say fool the machine.
Let's fool it. Let's do 25 cents then. You made a call.
What do you say?
Well, it just worked for me. I just
See?
can't tell.
Do it.
Bounces around and
Do
the
it.
game doesn't know what to do. What do I do with my hand? I don't know.
We're going to carry on. $12.50 on the quarter version, 50 lines.
Miner's a little smaller, still a handy.
Just looking for the bonus. And we could pull the plug at $200, and that's what we started with.
I don't know what happened.
I don't either, but I'll take a spin.
Tell Lisa the casino's somewhat busy. I actually brought a hazmat suit and a mask, and I had it on yesterday, but I didn't want to come into the casino with it.
Yeah, actually, I'm looking around. It's pretty busy. And we're back to 50 cents. Oh, it started making the sounds.
Not the boss.
Come on, come on!
Yeah.
Oh!
It's so close.
Chipped at the drive-thru. Oh, what do we do with that? Do we carry it and burn it out? We're going to do it anyway.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Might as well wrap it up live here. All right, we're going to burn it out for you.
That was so close. By design.
And here we go. And there you go. That's 1, 2. You know what we're not doing? Chip.
Well, we get a case of-
Chip. Okay.
Yep.
There you got a couple 10s. The 10s. Shame on you, Lightning Link. Oh, a couple dancing ladies. Good for a little more than money back.
Yep.
Chip.
Chippity chip.
Chip.
We're trying. One more bonus. One super bonus. 50 cents. One little miner for 2,500.
No.
I swear they shut these down.
Wait, we got one bonus. We got one chip bonus, and it wasn't.
It was like 400 or 500.
I missed 1,000 by one chip.
We got a couple kings, and the kings are good for 15. Come on. Go! Come on. One last bonus before we sign off.
Before we reload.
Before we reload off camera and do it again. Oh, yeah! Yes! Holy crap! Holy shit! Hold on, let me turn this around. Holy shit!
my God,
That
the
was
miner.
live, brother.
That was you.
That was live.
That was
Did
you.
you see the
Oh my
miner?
God. That's what we just did. I don't know if you can see
And
it.
it's not done yet.
And it's not done. We're just starting this bonus. Bump, bump, it up, bump, bump. Chip. All right. So everybody watching, we just popped the miner, playing 50 cents for 2,500. And oh wait, that
Oh
means
yeah, you're hard.
that means the tax is on me. That's okay. It's all good. Who did that?
You did.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Minor
Okay.
Ed.
Minor.
All right, then I'm gonna get this going.
Oh, I miss Colin.
Everybody, thank you for joining in. Thank you for watching. We just pulled off a $2,500 miner.
And
drop your Right friend.
Drop your.
Right there.
Good.
$2,500, and I'm gonna get this going. We are at 283 people. We lost a couple. For those of you that just signed off, you missed
It's
it.
gonna drop its twin minor friend.
It could drop its cousin, the other minor. Let's see if we can pull 2 minors.
Come on, Ed.
Or a major. That would just be amazing. Come on.
Who gets to split half with your significant others?
I don't have a significant other, so I'm good to go. Ow! That's my ass. Oh my god. Kim is choking me out. Tony Yee with the 199. Great job. Thank you. Appreciate it. People are saying the grand. Let's do it. Uh-oh. Ron's pulling the trigger, and we are back. Oh, we're back!
Yes,
We're
three,
back!
three.
We are back. Keep it going, Ron. Ron's back again.
3 shots.
3 shots, 3 spots. Fill it up, 134,000. And you'll see this live. If this happens, I probably won't sign off. We'll keep it going. I'm back on the trigger right now.
We'll have to wait for the handy though.
Last one. You want me to do it? Okay. Together. Hold on. We're doing this together. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're back.
So now what?
I don't know.
Now Brooke's got to spin and Kim.
We are
And
back.
Kim.
We're back. So anyway, I want to thank everybody for joining tonight. This has been a fun live stream. If you want to see the rest, you'll have to tune in and watch the video. Good night. Just kidding.
Bye.
Just kidding. All right. So who did that? Me or you?
You.
That was both of you.
Oh, that was an us.
Yeah, now we-
So let's do another us. 1, 2, 3.
I said Kim and Brooke though.
Uh-oh. All right, now you go and then I'll end it.
Okay.
Unless you get another one. Oh! Holy crap! It's okay. You're allowed to swear. This is doing good. Where we're at right now, let me spin this around. Where we're at right now, we have 1 spot.
Maybe Kim.
This is the guy that last night pulled with stupid sister an $18,000 grand. We are at over 300 people in the house. Thank you all for joining.
300,000.
No, 300. Yeah, 300,000 people in the house. We're viral. We have 3 shots at 1 spot. Ron's gonna pull the trigger right now. Do it, Ron. No matter what, it's a hand pay.
See it.
Let's watch this happen live.
Text on that one. You get it.
Well, Ed does, of course.
And I'll pull the last one. You know what? Stupid sister. Hold it. No, she doesn't
Come
want
on, you
to.
did it last
Do
time.
the last
I
one.
did the last shot last
Pull the
time.
last one. Kim,
All of us together.
all of us
All of
together.
us together.
Group effort. Everybody. 1, 2, 3. And it's okay. It's still going to be a hand pay of at least $2,500 plus all the other little ones. So let's watch it add up. Oh, that's 2,775 Earth dollars, as Colin would say. So,
I miss Colin.
we all miss Colin. Wish he was here.
That's my buddy.
But unfortunately, I think they're telling the people in England that the coronavirus is not allowing them to come here or something, but it's good.
He'll be here for Duran Duran.
Maybe. All right, everybody. I'm going to turn the camera around and start saying the goodbyes. Couldn't have ended this on a better note. $2,700. Everybody, 300 people. Ron's dancing. Kim's dancing. I want to thank you all for joining. I'm back again. We got to get paid now, so we did an hour. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate you. I'm flying out tomorrow. This was another quick one-nighter. Kim's private jet's flying me back home tomorrow. But I may do one more live. Oh, that's a good sound. I may do one more live stream tomorrow night, 4 o'clock, which would be 7 o'clock. Thank you all for joining. I appreciate every one of
Thank
you.
you all so much.
And that's where we're ending. Thanks, everybody.